Okay, let's talk some homework. Today's math skill was use 10 to subtract, which originally I thought was really going to be way too hard for us. But after I went through a couple of examples showing the kids how to do them, the majority of the class really was ready to subtract this way. I only had about 3 or 4 kids who are still struggling, and so I will readdress this with them tomorrow. If your kid is one of the ones that is struggling, just have them do the subtraction the regular way, and I will work with them tomorrow. But most of the kids, like I said, were ready. So let's look at this. We have 13 subtract 7. We want to turn that 13 into a 10. And most of the kids caught on pretty quickly that you look at the number in the ones place in 13, and that is the first number you need to break the 7 down into. Because 13 subtract 3 is 10. That's what we're trying to do. Where they're struggling is really trying to figure out, okay, what number do I have to put with 3 to make 7? So we know that it should be 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then they circle 13 subtract 3 is 10. The 4 outside of the circle goes here. 10 subtract 4 is 6. And so 13 subtract 7 is 6. Let's look at the next one. Okay, 11 has 1 1. So to turn 11 into 10, I need to pull 1 out of the 7. And then I have to put 6 with it because 1 plus 6 is 7. Now 11 subtract 1 is 10. I write down the number outside of my circle. 10 subtract 6 is 4. So 11 subtract 7 is 4. Like I said, most kids were ready for this. If your kid wasn't, just have them do subtraction the regular way, and we will address it tomorrow.